Ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm going to show you how to register in Rico Quantima, a quantitative trading bot that does the trade for you. All you just need to do is to make sure to copy the link from your upline, which is your sponsor. Once you've gotten the link, you will be directed to a page that looks like this. So all you just need to do is to enter your name, enter your email address, enter your password, then your referral code. So once you're done with that, the referral code will be here by default. So once you're done, make sure you take your time and read through the terms and conditions. So once you've read the terms and conditions, you can proceed with your registration. So let me fill the form right away. So once you fill the form, it's as easy as ABC. So ensure you put a very strong password, then you click on create. After you click on create, so you will be redirected to another page like this. So all you just need to do is to click on enter verification code. Once you've clicked on enter verification code, just go to your mail, open your mailbox right away. Rico, okay, copy this 600962 and come and enter it. In fact, enter it manually. Sorry, enter it manually. 600962. Once you've entered the code this way, if you do not enter it manually, you will end up doing this thing. You will end up deleting it because it will go into one box. Now make sure you're opening the Rico Quantima inside your SafePal, which is your non-custodial wallet. You might be using Token Pocket or SafePal or MetaMask, whichever wallet you're using. So once you are done with the registration, you will now be brought to the page where you need to configure your trading workshop. So first you need to verify access, and then you connect your wallet, because right now our wallet is connected. The reason why you need to do the registration inside your non-custodial wallet app is so that it can connect your wallet this way. So once your wallet is connected, let's sign and verify, blah blah blah, let's confirm. Once we are done with our confirmation, we will be redirected to another page, which is exchange. So there are some list of exchanges here. Why are we doing this? Because we want this engine to be trading for us. So we want the bot to be trading for us. So the exchange in which I'm going to pick is going to be, you can see the exchanges: Binance, Bybit, OKX, BitGet, KuCoin, Kraken. So what I will do right now is to pick Binance. After I've picked Binance, I'm going to go to down. I'll scroll down and then select on configure API keys. So once I've done that, I will now come. Okay, there are two options here: paper trading, shadow mode. No, because I want to use real money, so I will select this one, which is quant evaluator. Once I'm done with that, I will click on configure execution. So by the time I'm done with quant mode setup, I will now be brought to this page. All I just need to do is to come here. I'll select withdrawals are disabled. I will select a server IP is allowed. Then I will copy this. Just make sure you copy this IP address. It's very important. So now what we want to do is we want to come and go and create our API, so they can give us API key and API secret. So once you are done with that, all you just need to do at this point is to go to your Binance. Okay, Now I can even log in on Chrome. The reason, once you verified your account, you can go and log in on Chrome, so it's not a big deal. So here we are. Okay. So the reason why we are logging in on Chrome is because if we delay a little bit, SafePal will want to take us all over again. So right now I'm going to click on, go to your how do we call it, go to your Binance. Once you've opened your Binance, let me show you. Open your Binance this way. Once it has opened, make sure you are on home. You can see under here there is home, down there is market, under there is trade, then futures, then asset. So come and click on trade, home. Once you've clicked on home, check at the top left corner up here. There are 3 lines up there, so click there. Then once you click there, you are going to see this menu. You can see more services here, so click on more services. Once you've clicked on more services, scroll down to others. So you can see others, you click on API. Once you've clicked on API, all you just need to do here at this point in time is to create an API. Already there was an API that was created. Let me delete the existing API, blah blah blah. So we've deleted it successfully. Once you've deleted it, come and click on create API. Leave it on system generated, so you click on next. Then you label it. I'm going to label Rico Quantima engine. So this is how I feel like labeling my API. So you will need to go through some security verification. Once you verified, blah blah blah, you hold on. Now your key is being generated. See what you need to do at this point. The very first thing you need to do is to copy your secret key. It is very important for you to copy it, because if you do not copy it, Binance or all exchanges give you the opportunity to copy your secret key only one time. So after one time, you cannot copy it any longer. So now let me go and copy my this thing as well, my API key, paste it here, blah blah blah. Once you are done with that, the next thing you just need to do at this point in time is to go back up and click on edit. Once you've clicked on edit, scroll down, enable futures. No, before enabling futures trading, come and click on restrict access to trusted API. Then once you've done that, sorry, you click this little arrow. So once you've done that, let's go back and copy our exchange, our trading IP address. Come back, paste it. If you do not paste it, then you confirm. If you do not paste it, you won't be able to come and enable trading. So once you've done that, once you've enabled it successfully, maybe you've not copied the key phrase, the secret key safely, you need to come and copy it once more again. Then you click on save. Once you click on save, you will do some security verification once more again. Then once you are done with that, blah blah blah, just go to your exchange, then click on test connection. Very very important. So okay, blah blah blah, it's working. Then you click on connect, then boom, it tells us auto execution, blah blah blah, continue, blah blah blah. relative x blah blah blah. So this is just some information. Okay, you can scroll. How much do you want to use in your margin? You can shift it to 20% of your portfolio. Then you can see some of the things here. You click on review setup, then you scroll down. This is just a total overview of everything. Then once you're done, you just click on all these ones that are being ticked. It means that you're going to receive signals on all that each time any of this event happens. Then you click on launch Rico Autopilot. So as you're launching Recometrics Autopilot, you will now be brought on the page. So at this point, ignore this, or if you want to vote, you can go and vote. I don't know whether the vote is still available at the moment or the tokens has finished. So once you have connected your exchange, if you have any available trade, you're going to see how those trades are going to show here. You can see my trade are showing, blah blah blah. So we are done. That's all. Highest maybe what you can do at this point. Okay, exchanges 10 manual entries. You can see the coins that I have. Yeah, so that's just it. Blah blah blah. Now at this point, you click on more, you click on exchange. Once you've clicked on exchange, come and click on test. Let's click on test to see. Okay, test. Yes, I have $106. It means the bot can trade. In every single trade, the bot uses $100. So you set it up to $100. Set it up to 100. Sorry. So 100. Set it up to 100. So even if you do not set it to 100, the system, the board will automatically be using 100 for you to trade. So the minimum is 100. Once you've entered the amount, don't do anything. It will automatically save. All you just need to do is, let's say you have another exchange you want to add. All you just need to do is to come here at the top, then you click on add exchange. So now what we need to do next is to top up. All you just need to do is to click on this Rico, or you click on more, then you click on wallet. Once you've clicked on wallet, just come and click on connect wallet. Then this is where I will need to go back to the wallet. So let me go back into the wallet immediately. Blah blah blah. What I will do here, I will click on refresh. So refresh, blah blah blah. When it is like this, you have to log out, you sign out, then sign in again. So it's extremely easy. So you click on sign up. So after you've done that, click on more down here menu, click on wallet. After you've clicked on wallet, scroll down, click on use wallet crypto, then enter the amount. I feel like topping up with 5,000. Then you click on transfer, then you confirm transaction, then you wait patiently. So we are now funding our Rico Quantima gas tank. Then once you're done, you click on transfer, then you confirm transaction, bloom. So here we go. Our wallet is being funded successfully. It is not showing up here yet. All you just need to do is to click on the three dot up there. Then let's refresh once more again. Wow, congratulations. So we've successfully funded our Rico Quantima engine. So at this point in time, there is nothing else to do. The engine will be executing trade on its own. So if you want to check some things, you click on financial, you will see some one or two things, blah blah blah. If you click on life, you will see some things. If you click on bond report, you see some things. If you come to referral, very important, copy your referral link, share it with your friends and family, whoever you invite, as the board is trading for them. Every blessed day you will be getting 5%. Imagine getting 5% for life. Isn't that fantastic? So you earn a rebate commission based on the trading profit that the system generate for them. You can copy it manually, you send to them, so they will input the code in that section. So that's just it. On market, if you click on market, you will see what is happening. This is Bitcoin price. This is the exchange as well. The system have 6 exchanges, so you can select any of the exchanges. You can as well search for a coin. Okay, let's type in, for example, Ondo. Yes, so Ondo is currently traded at 0.30 blah blah blah. You can see. So that's just how it works, ladies and gentlemen. You come to portfolio. On portfolio, you see your coins, the ones that the board is trading for you. You see the one that is yet to enter into the market, pending bot. Then the one exchange, which is the one that you yourself you've entered inside, you can see. So that's just it. It's not a big deal here. So let's go, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to see more details, for example, if you click execution details, you will see one or two things. So that's just how it goes. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. It was an amazing new episode. If you click on dashboard, you can also see some amazing features. So this is just how to go about it. You see the money you've made, you see some data displaying here. You can as well look at this chart. So that's just it. You can see open positions, blah blah blah, all transactions available. Paper mode, if you do not have money and you want to actually see whether the bot is making some money for you, you can activate your paper bot. So that's just it. One exchange is currently connected, which is Binance. Blah blah blah. What else again? 5,000 Rico is available. Then here we go with this referral link. Let me copy it once more again. Then that's just it. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. See you in another episode. Congratulations for activating your automated trading bot, the bot that looks for signals, the bot that analyzes the signal, and the bot that also trade for you on your behalf. So once you've set it, just go and sleep. Make sure you have enough gas Rico for gas. Thank you. Goodbye.